Hi little kids, today I am going to draw for you 12 types of shapes. Here I am drawing 12 shapes and then I will fill them with glitter colors. So let's see how I do this. These are glitters color, so let's start to use it. First one I am using red glitters color for the circle. Now I am filling the square with silver glitters color. Triangle with yellow glitters color. Rectangle with green glitters color. Pentagon with golden glitters color. This is octagon with pink glitters color. Oval with silver glitters color. Crescent with red glitters color. Now I am filling the star with yellow glitters color. This is cone shape. Now I am filling it with green glitters color. Diamond shape with golden glitters color. I forgot to draw the heart shape. This is heart shape. I am filling the heart shape with pink glitters color.
When it's dry, you can touch it with finger. It's looking so beautiful.
Say with me: circle, square, triangle, rectangle, star, crescent, oval. It is octagon, pentagon, this is cone shape, this is diamond, and the last one is heart shape. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.